Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I put all the videos from Washington back when I was there all together, so I really hope you enjoyed, and now let's get started. Let's go surprise my best friends, and I'm literally so excited. We got Woods coffee. I haven't had Woods coffee in like 10 years. Not really. Didn't have it for a really long time, and I'm really excited. So. Yeah. Okay, so wait, give me a second. So right now we're in Bellingham, and this is actually the place where I basically grew up, and we're in the park, which was my favorite park. Honestly, I don't really know what it's called, but we used to call it Bellingham Bay, and honestly it's freezing here. And it has like these stairs that lead to the ocean, and it's just really peaceful, really quiet. Honestly, I remember it being bigger, but the last time I was here was like, what, 5 years ago? Things have changed, and it's really cold, and it's like really gloomy today. But also, I got a London fog from Woods Coffee. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I love London fog, and it's literally so good. Morning guys, literally 7 in the morning, and it's so freaking dark here, but it's whatever. We might be going to Canada today, but yesterday we went to the mall I basically grew up in, and it's in Bellingham. It's called Bellisphere Mall, and it's so much more alive than I remember it. But I got some new shoes, and they're the Adidas, the OG Adidas. They're not the Sambas, they're the Quartz, because I couldn't find the Sambas, I guess. But they're literally a kid size 6, and they're still big on me. Like, what? I don't think this counts as snow, but oh my gosh, look at this. I think this is like, what is it called? Hail. It was hailing a lot today.
I heard it.
Yeah, that's why we couldn't sleep. It was really loud. It smells like snow, and we're going to Livingworth today. There's a bunch of snow there, so I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting.
Yeah, my boy. No.
Hey guys, we made it to Livingworth, Washington. And I got this, like, what is it called? A spezzy. It's Coca-Cola and sandwich mixed together. It's cold and it's messy. This is like frozen. Ooh. My hands are frozen. I'm pretty sure my face is too. These bobas are really good. Oh guys! If you want to say hi to my vlog,
Hey vlog!
I'm actually doing a vlog for Washington.
Why am I not even surprised, guys?
I need content, guys. I need memories.
Do you know this one? You better know this one because it was all over TikTok. There's one part that you for sure know.
I think I lost my voice. Bye.
I'm in my natural habitat. I'm doing my natural things.
Wait, this is my first ever candlelight service. I've never been. Yeah, I've never been.
Yeah, me neither, actually. We literally had one last year, but I was too tired. I was sick.
And we're singing. Bro, I'm literally done being extroverted for the next month and a half. No joke. I'm exhausted. Hey guys, we're on the ice skating rink. A minute, guys. Hold on, let me sit my. Bro. Wait, do the countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's 2025, guys. Oh my god.
Happy 2025.
I can't believe 2024 felt like yesterday. It felt like yesterday, bro. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so cold. No! Oh, wait there. Ah! Oh, it's so cold. Oh my gosh, Happy New Year. Today we're coming. I keep throwing them. Okay, anyways, it's my turn.
You got 0. Don't worry, cupcake. Okay, go. Oh shoot! Wow! No!
Today is the last day here in Washington because tomorrow we're officially leaving and this 3-week vacation is finally ended basically, and I decided to go on a very long walk and just explore the area because I haven't done this at all, and I think this is a city or a town next to Bothell. I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's really gorgeous here. And I was just listening to worship music. I just had a Bible study. I just had a workout too. I cleaned a little bit and I decided might as well start 2025 just as right and just go on a prayer walk and just notice life and enjoy it as much as I can as of right now, because obviously time flies by fast and we should enjoy it as much as possible while we can and while it lasts.